Ladies and gentlemen, Punta Isla Lake Resort started in humble beginning in the year 1995. Last June 22 resort. So meaning, ang Punta Isla Lake Resort is already 29th year of existence na po ang Punta Isla Lake Resort. Sila nahuli po sa lake na 60 kilos andyan na po sa taas na number, makilaw at masugpa pa po. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our tour this afternoon. Thank you so much for choosing Punta Isla Lake Resort and choosing Municipality of Lake Cebu as one of your tourist destination here in Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, you are told that this afternoon, this is certified Salvador Rapid or Richard Fuman, our captain at the back, si Captain Edison po. Maraming salamat. Friendly reminders for everybody. So, ma'am, sir, just one for my advice bago magbaba ng sa ganon ay ma-maintain yung balance ng ating cruise. Pag ayaw po natin makabangga ng malaking mohon po. Maraming salamat po. Hayuki ma'am.
Kailan na pupunta?
Maybe siguro by next year.
In therapy, sa Ulado yung
Okay na po.